Hey, Jeffrey Howells, carpet cleaning here, and I thought I'd just do a quick kind of an FYI deal. What I got here is my CRB, and I'm going over the carpeting in this room, which is pretty much identical to this room. And as you can look at the carpets, there really isn't much of any debris on it that you can see. I mean, kind of being a Berber carpeting, it's not going to really have any debris because you're vacuuming it up in the vacuum cleaner every time you vacuum, or at least you think you do. What the CRB is able to do, it does have kind of rotating brushes on it. There's one long brush in front, and then on the back side there's also another brush over here. You can look at those are the axle rods that are in there. So two of them side by side, they're generally uplifting and pulling on the carpeting as it's going over, as well as agitating the cleaning solution in the carpets. But what it's also able to do is pull out matted hair and lint that gets stuck to the carpets like Velcro. And this pile here, just in that little room there, that was all the lint and nasties that were pulled up out of the carpeting. This is literally invisible stuff that you're not seeing, and it's sticking to your carpet like Velcro. It's causing odors, it's causing carpets to look dingy, and it's all stuff that may or may not even come out with a regular steam cleaning. So when it comes to complete thoroughness, running a CRB or a machine like this over it, a lot of your owner-operators carry these guys on board their trucks, and they do a really good job. A lot of your franchise companies, like your Kim Dries, your Heaven's Best, your Stanley Steamers, it's kind of up in the air. I don't know what their restrictions are as to the policies as to the equipment they can actually use, because usually they're stuck using whatever system that's outlined in their guidelines or whatever. But as you can see, these carpets look very bright and brilliant right now, and all we did was just completely go over it probably about 3 or 4 times and pulled out a immense amount of nasties that were in the carpeting. I had absolutely no idea that much was going to come out, but I feel much more confident that these carpets are thoroughly clean, sanitized, neutralized, deodorized. There's not going to be any chance for there to be any odors or any lingering issues occurring, because anything that could have happened is sitting right here. So we're going to take the same approach in the rest of the room, and I would not be surprised if we pull out another amount like this or even more. Are the carpets in your home looking dark and dingy? Well, this could be the cause of it right here. And that is what the CRB is able to do. It grooms your carpets, it pulls out lint and hair and all the other little nasties that are hiding in your carpets. Give me a call, Howells Carpet Cleaning, 503-939-0534, and I will do my best to see what I can do to restoring your carpets and upholstery back to good.